All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus D'Angelo Monte Williams, file number 22-21133 FH 23-21308 FH 23-21309 FH and 23-21310 FH. So I have Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Mr. Williams. And I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. We have, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 208. Oh, that's a buy. No. Hold on. Okay, did we place the competency on the record before, Mr. So Mr. Dagger Margosian, I have, let me see here, on file number 22-21133 FH, I have a file, or I have something in the file from the State of Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, and it contains a competency report. Did we place competency on the record on this file? Because I don't see, let me see here. I don't see an order. I'm looking, oh wait, what is this? No, I have an order for evaluation. I don't. Looking to see if we actually put this on the record or not. You remember, and
I don't think we did, Your Honor. I mean, we can. I would obviously stipulate to the report.
Okay, so I have an order for evaluation dated December 27th on this file, and then wow. How is that even possible? I have a competency report dated a month later. That's like a miracle, isn't it? To get it that quickly?
It was, they did it fairly quickly, I think, yeah.
Okay. All right. So Mr. Sneed, and that is on file number 22-21133 FH. Have you received that report on competency to stand trial, Mr. Sneed?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. And Mr. Dagger Margosian, you've had an opportunity to review it and discuss with your client.
Yes.
All right, and Mr. Sneed, did people stipulate to admission of that January 20th of 23 report?
Yes, we would do so for all files.
Okay. Was it done in all files?
I'm looking at a finding an order on competency from file ending 09 FH. That was actually entered by District Court Judge Shadler February 2nd, 2023. So.
Okay. So, and what was the last two numbers?
That's in file ending 09 FH.
Information.
That's the circuit court number.
Yeah, I have an affidavit. I have finding an order back on February of 23. So did this one just come in later, Mr. Dagger Margosian? That's why it's in front of me.
That may be the case. I do know that when we were in district court, we for all the cases that are in front of you today, we had requested that the competency evaluation be for all of these cases. So
did Judge Shadler wasn't, well, I guess I'm wondering then, so Judge Shadler entered an order of competency on file number 23-2130908 and 10, is that correct?
I think that's correct, yes, Judge.
But Judge Shadler did not enter one on file, my other file 22-21133, or did she?
I don't think she would have or could have.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Mhm.
All right, so the parties do stipulate to entry of the competency report dated January 20th of 2023. And it is signed by Ernest Pertinga, MD, consulting forensic examiner, diplomat in psychiatry and forensic psychiatry, American Board of Psychiatry and Neurology, dated January 20th of 2023. He did evaluate Mr. Williams, and his findings are that based upon his report and investigation, it is his opinion that Mr. D'Angelo Williams is presently capable of understanding the nature and object of the proceedings against him and of assisting in his defense in a rational manner. While the ultimate decision in this matter depends on the judicial determination, it is his opinion that Mr. Williams is competent to stand trial. So I believe Mr. State, the people prepare the order, because if I remember correctly, the public defender prepares the motion, but the people prepare the final order. Is that still the way it is?
Yes, we'll do so, Judge.
Okay. All right, so I'll need an order on that file. So, Mr. Decker-Margosian, I think you alluded to the fact that a plea was going to be entered today. So, because there are multiple files, if I could go file by file and you tell me what's going to be entered on that file?
Your Honor, that's fine. What I will ask, these cases are fairly complicated and intertwined. There's also an issue of sentencing. Mr. Williams and I think we probably, I need more time to explain everything. I want to make sure Mr. Williams is totally
That's fine.
Informed of everything. So I'm just going to ask for a short adjournment and then we can.
No, that's fine. My next available is May 3rd at 8:30 in the morning.
May 3rd is fine. Thank you, Judge.
All right, so, and you waived the reading of the felony information on 21308 and you asked for him to stand mute, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'll enter a plea of not guilty. And I will set all of these files for pretrial on May 3rd at 8:30 in the morning. Mr. Decker-Margosian, I know that you know our Wednesdays are kind of hectic. If your client decides he wants to enter a plea after you meet with them, I can bring him back in any time of the day, any other day of the week as well. All right.
I think that probably will be my suggestion. Once we get everything on board, I think it would make sense to do it on a day separate than Wednesday.
Yep. So if you can just call Miss Adams, I'll set you in at another time, which would make it probably easier. So Mr. Williams, Mr. Decker-Margosian will meet with you, and then we will be back for pretrial on May 3rd at 8:30 in the morning, if not sooner. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So Mr. Williams, thank you, and Mr. Decker-Margosian, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll do the stip 2 adjourn.
All right, and Mr. Williams, you're all set. If you want to ask them to bring me, hold on. If you don't mind, you could. Do you have anybody else in jail, Mr. Decker-Margosian?
Miss Overton should be the last one.
All right, could you let them know I'd like to see Miss Overton?
Mr. Overton?
Miss Overton.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Mr. Williams.
Yes, ma'am. You have a good day.
You too. All right, sir, you want to come up to the podium? Your attorney's here now and I'll get you out of here.
And my attorney today is.
You have Isaac Steen? Or no, I'm sorry, you have Sam Millar?
Correct.
All right, come on up to the podium. All right. And you just popped in, so I will, you're Mr. Burke, right?
Yes.
All right. So, Mr. Millar, good morning. All right. This is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jamie, is it Kaylee? Kaylee Burke, file number 2023-21220 FH. I have Salvatore Milaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Burke, and it looks like I have Mr. Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference in this matter. Mr. Malaro, how would you like to proceed?
Judge, I'd asked if we could adjourn this one time so I can get Mr. Burke into my office and we can review the plea offer Mr. Sneed has extended.
Okay, so I'm going to set this over to May 3rd. So Mr. Burke, to adjourn this to May 3rd at 8:30 in the morning. Miss Adams, because Mr. Burke is here, could I get a notice of hearing? So Mr. Malaro, you won't need to do a stip and order on this one. Mr. Burke, it's who's your assistant, Mr. Malaro?
Sarah?
Sarah? All right, so you need to call Mr. Malaro's office and ask for Sarah and set up an appointment to go in and meet with Mr. Malaro, okay?
Your Honor, he could actually just come over from the courthouse since he's here in town.
Want to go over there now?
I can, please.
Okay, do you know where his office
I
is?
do.
All right, so when you're done here, you can just go right over there, all right?
Thank you so much.
Well, you're welcome. All right, so have a seat right there at that counter and my staff will get you a notice of hearing. Are you in your office, Miss Adams?
Yes, Judge. Yep, working on it.
Okay, I didn't know if you had stepped away. All right, Miss Overton, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
All right, let me change your name. All right, Mr. Dagger Margosian. All right, let me find out who this person is. I think she's yours. All right. All right, I have a young lady with a yellow background behind her, and I'm sorry, I've talked to 30 people since the last time I talked to you. What is your name again? Oh, she's not connected to audio. There
Judge,
she
that's
is.
Lisa Hannawalt.
All right, do you need a breakout room with her?
No, I do not.
Miss Hannawalt, I just wanted to let you know, I'll be with you in just one moment, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Judge.
All right, so Miss Overton, this is in a matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Shannon Lee Overton, file number 2023-21245 FH. I have Michael Dagger Margosian appearing on behalf of Miss Overton, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. For some reason, I have a note in my file. Something about pleading dating third and a UDAA or UDDA. Mr. Dagger Margosian, how do you wish to proceed with Miss Overton today?
Your Honor, we are ready to proceed on a plea. I can outline that for the court.
Okay,
So, Your Honor, Miss Overton will be pleading guilt. Let me just bring it up here. Maybe if Mr. Sneed can put it on record as well. If he has it.
I'm bringing it up too. So.
In the meantime, Judge, I will say that Miss Overton has been screened for drug court by Ms. Teskey, and my understanding is that Ms. Overton is approved for drug court, assuming that she will reside in Lenawee County. That was one of the things that we were trying to determine, but Ms. Overton does state that she will be in Lenawee to participate in drug court.
all right, Miss Overton, you met with Amy and were screened.
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. All right, so what is the plea offer, Mr. Sneed?
My notes indicated was to plead to counts 2 and 3, and the remaining charges would be dismissed, including the habitual offender fourth notice.
Yep,
And the
that's
people have
fine.
no objection to drug court.
Okay, I think we had a meeting or something about it, Mr. Dagger Margosian, because I have notes about it, so, all right.
And that
So-
that is my understanding as well, Your Honor, counts 2 and 3 with the dismissal of any sups and
All right,
admission.
Ms. Overton, want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, so ma'am, you have heard the statement of your attorney and the prosecuting attorney. Is it your intention to plead guilty to count 2, motor vehicle unlawful driving away, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison, a driver's license suspension up to 1 year, and to plead guilty to count 3, police officer fleeing 3rd degree, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 5 years in prison, suspension of your driver's license for a period not to exceed 5 years. So is it your intention to plead guilty to those?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Adams, I'm going to well, ready, 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Right, no, my printer's not working. So, Miss Adams, I'm going to print page off, just 1 page. Could you bring it to me to sign, and then could you email it to me?
Okay.
I'm sorry, my printer in here is not working. I don't know why.
I'll be right back.
Yep. Okay. Oh, I lost it. Hold on. Thank you. All right, so we're just waiting for Mr. Steve real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go through your rights with you now. So, ma'am, all right, so it's your intention then, ma'am, to plead guilty to count 2 and count 3?
Yes, Your Honor.
All
Yes,
right, and are you satisfied with Mr. Dagger-Margosian as your attorney and the advice that he's given you?
yes, I am.
Now, neither the prosecutor, the defendant, or anyone on the defendant's behalf has discussed a possible sentence with the court other than drug court. Is that
Yes.
correct, Mr. Sneed
Yes, Your Honor.
and Mr. Dagger-Margosian?
Correct, Your Honor.
Is that correct as far as you're aware, Ms. Overton?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if a guilty plea is accepted, there will be no trial. This means that you will be giving up rights you would have had at trial. I'm going to explain those rights to you now to make sure that you understand them. You have a right to a speedy public trial by jury. You may ask for a non-jury trial, and if the prosecutor and court agree, you can have a non-jury trial. You have the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to have a prosecuting attorney prove beyond a reasonable doubt that you are guilty. and you do not have to prove anything. You have the right to be present at trial and have witnesses against you appear at your trial and to ask those witnesses questions. You have the right to have the court order any witnesses you have for your defense to appear at the trial. You have the right to remain silent during your trial and not to have your silence used against you. However, you also have the right to testify at your trial if you want to testify. Do you understand that if your plea is accepted, you may be giving up the right to appeal issues that would otherwise be appealable if you were convicted at trial? Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Do you understand that any appeal from the conviction and sentence pursuant to the plea will be by application for leave to appeal and never right? Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
If you are not a citizen of the United States of America, a conviction of a crime may result in deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States of America, or denial of naturalization. Do you have any questions about the rights that I've given to you?
No, Your Honor, I do not.
Okay, so Ms. Overton, on December 16th of 2022, were you in Ridgeway Township in the county of Lenawee?
I was.
All right, and at that time, did you take someone's car, a GMC Envoy?
I did.
Okay, and that car was taken from Jackson County, is that correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay, and were you driving it in Lenawee County?
I was.
All right, did you take over the car in Lenawee County? So someone else stole it in Jackson and then you were driving it here?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Decker Margosian, was the car stolen in Jackson, and what happened? Somebody help me with this one.
Yeah, I mean, I think the car was taken in Jackson. The crime continued into Lenawee, so I think it would be appropriate to do the UDAA that way.
Okay, I just didn't know if, because it had the language for a party to such taking, but okay. So the car was taken in Jackson County, you were driving it in Lenawee County, and it was a stolen vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you had no permission to drive that vehicle.
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Sneed?
People are satisfied with that, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Now, ma'am, you also at some point came in contact with the Michigan State Police, is that correct?
Yes.
Right, was it daytime or nighttime?
Nighttime.
All right, so it was dark out. Did the state trooper have their lights on?
Yes, they did.
Okay, and because of that, were you able to, you knew that it was a police officer behind you?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and when they turned their lights on, did you understand that was an indication for you to pull over?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Okay, and did you pull over right away?
No, I did not.
Okay, so you kept driving that motor vehicle, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and was there any accident or collision at any time?
There was a road strip that was put out. She subsequently hit that, so her car went off the road. There was a rear end. To initiate this whole issue, she had hit her brakes, and the trooper's car hit hers. That's what started this whole thing. So that would also cause sort of
I
accident.
think I remember hearing about this one. All right, so I think when we talked about it, I think I remember this. So you hit the brakes and the state trooper hit you in the back end, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Was anybody else in the car with you?
No.
Mr. Sneed?
People are satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
All right, I think I kind of skipped over something. All right, has anyone made any threats or promises to you to induce you to plead guilty to these charges?
No, Your Honor, they have not.
All right, and you understand if I accept your plea, you'll give up any claims that your plea is given as a result of promises or threats that were not disclosed to the court on the record, and that it was not your own choice to enter the plea. Do you understand
Yes,
that?
I understand.
All right, Mr. Sneed and Mr. Dagger Margosian, are you aware of any promises or threats or inducements other than the plea bargain to induce her to plead guilty?
No, Your
No,
Honor.
All right, and has your attorney other than drug court promised you any particular sentence, ma'am?
No, Your Honor, he has not.
All right, has the court complied with MCR 6.302 B, C, and D? Mr. Sneed.
Yes, Your Honor.
yes, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Dagger. All right, I accept the pleas. They've been given understandably, voluntarily, and accurately. The defendant has full knowledge of her rights. She does have competent counsel. This court has made no agreement regarding the possibility of a plea or possible sentence in this case with the prosecutor, the defense attorney, the defendant, or anyone acting in the interest of either of them. I'm going to refer this matter to the probation department for a pre-sentence investigation. I will set this matter for sentencing on May 25 at 8:15 in the morning. So, Ms. Overton, you can appear via Zoom, or you do have the right to appear in person.
Okay,
Do you wish, now, I know that Ms. Teskey, you'll probably be talking with her at the jail, is that correct?
yes, Your Honor.
I was talking to Ms. Teskey, but hold on.
Oh, sorry.
Ms. Teskey? Okay, so you have the right to be present in person, or you can appear via Zoom. The reason I was asking Ms. Teskey is sometimes they recommend inpatient treatment ahead of sentencing. So, but do you wish to appear via Zoom or in person?
It doesn't matter, whatever is convenient for her.
Okay, we'll do Zoom. And when you meet with Ms. Teskey, be truthful about your background, be truthful
Okay.
about the events that occurred. She'll prepare a report. Mr. Dagger Margosian will get a copy of it. He will review it with you. And we'll see you back for sentencing on May 25 at 8:15 via Zoom. So, Ms. Overton, the drug court program, and I'm not saying this because it's my court, because I do very little with the drug court, but the team of people that help you are amazing, and it's a great opportunity, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you. We'll see you back on May 25 at 8:15.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. So
Thank you.
I got Hannah Walt, who else? Okay, so. Dagger Margosian, I don't think you have anybody else in jail, do you? He's gone. I think I'm done with him. All right, Ms. Hannibal. Go ahead and unmute, or let me, I might have muted you because I think there was a dog barking, but. Get your file. All right, and from the jail, I could take Arturo Kuhn, if they're available. Okay, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Lisa Marie Hannawalt. Ms. Hannawalt is represented by Salvatore Malaro. I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. We have two files. I found number 2022-21152FH and 2023-21232FH. This is a date and time set for pretrial. Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed?
Your Honor, there have been a request for forensic examinations for Ms. Hannawalt and all her files, including these two. So I'd ask to adjourn these out until those are completed.
Okay,
I think your office signed, or you signed them earlier this week.
okay, they're not in the file, but they're probably across the hall. Mr. Sneed, people had agreed to that, right? Yep, so. Ms. Hannawalt, I still need you to go to the Adrian Police Department and get your fingerprints done, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll send the order over there, but I think you just need to call the Adrian Police Department. They'll tell you what times they do it, all right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Your Honor, may I do a quick breakout with her?
I know. All right, so Ms. Canawalt, we are going to set this over till June 7 at 8:30 in the morning for another pretrial, all right?
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
And we will, Mr. Stage or Mr. Malari, do the step in order to adjourn.
Yes.
All right, so June 7 at 8:30 in the morning for another pretrial. And I'm going to put you and Mr. Malaro into a breakout room. All right, so Ms. Canawalt and Mr. Malaro have opened up a breakout room. Okay. All right, we're just waiting on Mr. Coon, Mr. Glazier. I'll be right back. In about a minute or two. You guys want to-
Oh, yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
And just Cindy, I know you probably haven't been this month, but I just was thinking about you.
Vance.
Yeah, certainly. You mean whatever time. Summer.
Morning.
Good morning.
Is that Adrian yet?
No, they're not. Jury rooms are gonna be preoccupied.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
then I have not seen.
You guys have people in your jury room too?
Yeah, yeah.
they do? They didn't pick a jury yet?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll talk to Adrian, see if she wants to maybe set up
Okay,
someone downstairs or something, maybe. All right, thank you.
you bet, sir. Stuff.
Stuffy.
I mean, to me, it feels like you might be getting.
Yeah, I'm getting some air over here. Not too bad.
Hands on that, please. Oh, gosh. And right. Awesome.
Oh, this could be a long day. Mr. Noe is here. I told him.
Well, I'll be right back.
Okay.
Bless. Okay, now I have glasses and I can see. All right, who do I have joining me from the jail?
Arturo Kuhn.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, Miss Anzalone. How you guys doing today?
We're good. How are you doing?
Oh man, I'm doing wonderful. Better than yesterday, and I'll be better tomorrow than I am today.
All right, good. All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Arturo Luis Kuhn, file number 23-21317FH. Mr. Kuhn is represented by John Glazier, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. Mr. Glazier, do you waive the reading of the felony information? And you're muted. You're muted.
Yeah, we'd waive the reading of the information, acknowledge receipt of that, as well as the attached witness list and prosecutor's request for discovery. Your Honor, I'd ask for a pretrial, but I'd ask for it next week. I sent a letter to Mr. Fleming about 5 or 6 days ago, trying to finalize this so we can get everything all wrapped up. He's got a sentencing set in your court as well. But Mr. Fleming's gone until Monday. So if we can do it next Monday, I should have an answer by then.
So I can set this for April 12th
Okay,
at 8:30 in the morning for another pretrial. But Mr. Glazier, if you speak with Mr. Fleming and you want to try to sneak Mr. Kuhn in Monday or Tuesday, I will accommodate you on that.
okay, yep, yeah, Isaac said he'd be back Monday, so I'll talk with him and get with the court as soon as possible.
Okay, all right, so I'll enter a plea of not guilty. And as I said, we'll set it for pretrial on April 12th at 8:30 in the morning, but if you need him in earlier, I will accommodate that, all right?
Okay, and on Bixler, we sent you over the waiver.
Okay, good. All right, Mr. Kuhn, I'll see you Wednesday, if not sooner, okay?
All right, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys very much. You guys have a wonderful day.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
That's all I have.
So-
Yeah.
I was hoping I did open it. I know you guys were scared, we let me in, or we,
All right, so Ms. Adams, we can let them know I need, see Cody Bradley or Samantha Litt.
Okay.
And I believe that is all we have left then, Mr. Malaro. I think no way in meetings are in the hallway.
I know, Mr. Noe was looking for. See if he's got a place to go.
All right, so who do I have joining me from the jail?
Samantha Ladd.
All right. Let me grab file. Start my video. One second. Miss Adams, I don't know if Mr. Coast was on, Miss Ladd.
I will check.
Thanks. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Samantha Diane Ladd. We have 4 files, 22-20963 FH, 2022-20962 FH, 2022-20961 FH, 2023-21239 FH. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Ms. Ladd, and I have Isaac Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial conference in this matter. Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed?
Jennifer, if I could have a breakout with Ms. Ladd, Mr. Sneed submitted a global resolution proposal. I'd like to review it
Sure.
with her and see if she.
Not a problem. So,
Time or.
let me change your jail name. So let me change your name. All right, so I'm glad I'm going to put you and Mr. Malaro into a breakout room. Go ahead and join that breakout room.
Thank you, Judge.
We'll be right back.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi.
is your jury room being used?
Well, they wanted it used, they got all the stuff set up because they have 2 panels going.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Two juries. Got the first one there.
Oh, the 2 juries?
Yes. Cecil. You know, and I don't know if they back there because I can think.
Okay, wait, just as me originally, I mean, obviously, we probably didn't know about this, the judge wanted Charles and I early at 11, so him and I go through our exhibits, and maybe bring in a couple things and then start trial at 30.
Yes, it's a slip.
But if we don't have, if we can't do that, then
Yeah.
I guess we need to know what judge would like us to do.
Okay, I told her about it, so.
All right, thank you.
Sure.
He's in that was. He's in that.
You're in there.
You're in there.
Okay.
So. Okay. Go ask her. Judge is right here right now.
Go in the hallway. Are there people in the hallway?
Yeah. I've got arrangement to 1:30 or this morning. That's why Jackie spent.
You guys will find this and stuff?
Yeah, the jury room is, the jury room. Because we at least had wanted to go through our exhibits, we could just, if we can't, we could just stick to all of them.
Why
and
you
we
go
don't
and
have
use
that.
the jury room?
Yeah, we can do it. And then I'll just text you, tell you where we're at.
That's fine. That's fine. And then do you want
Lunch. and-
Becky email me? Can I do my arraignment
That one,
at 1:30?
Sarah Runner.
No,
You're in the jury.
Is there a test key? Is the-
Oh.
is the PO?
And, so.
My client was.
Compliment.
All right.
I will, like. Okay, so you think Tuesdays and gets on Tuesday. This was what she said. Like, I get 2 days of hell.
No, I was with this gentleman. Phone game.
All I'm gonna say is good choice.
Those days.
Yeah. What shit did they say to Jackson?
All right, so we'll go down to, we'll go down and try to find.
Well, I
Okay,
got my house, my cats.
my cats.
Well, it's a tornado watch.
I'm like, oh, the kids fine at school,
Yeah.
but my poor cats.
Yeah, I've got a camera so I can see my cats.
Oh, I should check my camera for my kitties too. Oh my gosh. Alright. My daughter and I were on vacation and my husband was in charge of the chickens, the cats, and the dogs. So I turned on my blue cameras and then I made him send me pictures for proof of life because he doesn't like cats. All right. Mr. Coast, you're here on lab, right?
I am, Judge. She is required to do drug testing as part of her bond.
Okay, hold on, close that breakout room. I know you provided a letter, for some reason, you provided a letter on this lab. Oh, no, Mr. Coast.
Someone.
Have I did not, Judge.
Oh, okay, I know you said you provided a letter on. something.
No, that the letter was on Miss Smith.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Malaro, have you now had an opportunity to meet and speak with Miss Ladd?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and Miss Smith got moved to 1:30, Mr. Coast.
All right, thank you.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Malaro, is your client going to avail herself of a plea today, or are you getting another pretrial?
Judge, we're gonna ask for adjournment for another pretrial. I received
All
a
right.
plea offer from Mr. Sneed, but I need to sit down with her and review
All
that.
right.
And
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is set this for another pretrial on May 3rd at 8:30 in the morning. Now, Ms. Ladd, I realize that's 30 days, well, a little less than 30 days from now. But Mr. Malaro, I would say that if you sit down with her and she decides she wants to enter a plea, call my office and we will schedule you in right away on a day that's not a Wednesday.
Okay.
Okay,
actually, Judge, I'm gonna go meet with her tomorrow. I have time in the morning, later in the morning after our motion hearing with Ms. Rice. I was gonna go meet with her tomorrow, if she's still in custody. She also would ask me to address bond with the court.
okay, well, yeah, and if you meet with her tomorrow and she decides she wants to take a plea, I'll bring her in tomorrow afternoon. I'll fit her in for you.
Okay.
Okay, you can address, first, Mr. Coast, Ms. Ladd, as a condition of bond, was required to drug test with you, is that correct?
She was, Judge. I mean, this order's been in effect since, I believe, May of last year.
All right, do you have any update on Ms. Ladd?
I do not have any drug tests, no screens, no, Judge.
So she's never tested as required?
Correct.
Okay, all right, Mr. Malawi, you can now address bond.
So, Your Honor, the change in circumstances for Ms. Ladd is March 26th to 28th, she was in the hospital and gave birth to a healthy baby girl. She was released from the hospital on the 28th and then returned herself back to jail, she tells me. So she understands the gravity of her situation. I've discussed with her the situation now that she's now responsible for a child. The child is with her mother, so that's good. She's asking the court consider releasing her with a tether. I would indicate to the court that part of the plea offer that I need to review to her because of her age includes Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. If she's eligible, and from preliminarily, it looks like she is. And if she's clearly released, then she could come to the office and we could do the plea tomorrow as well. So we would ask the court to consider on her behalf reducing her bond to a PR bond with a tether.
Mr. Sneed,
Your Honor, the people would defer to the court. I don't think it'd be a bad idea to do it tomorrow after the plea, but that's just a thought. Thank you.
all right, so Ms. Ladd, one of your prior requirements was that you drug test and you did not comply with those bond conditions. So what I'm gonna say to you, I want you to think really hard about, okay?
Okay.
So you have a child now. Do you know how many children I take away from parents that use drugs and meth specifically? A lot, on a weekly basis, because I have a neglect abuse docket. So just because you gave birth doesn't mean you're still not at risk of using drugs and at risk of being harmful to your child, all right? Your child's with your mother, and I really do acknowledge and appreciate the fact that you turned yourself in, all right? And so do you live here in Adrian?
Yes.
All right, so Miss Adams, let me see if I can pull up tomorrow's docket. So Mr. Malawi, you said you're gonna meet with Miss Ladd in the morning?
Judge, I got a couple of sentencings and then one of my things in district court fell out, so that's good. And then I have a motion hearing with you at 9. So I can go over right after that.
Okay. Miss Adams, is Buer still on? Oh, that's a different Buer. So do you think you would be able to meet with her and be done meeting with her like by 1:30? Or no?
Oh, yeah. I might even be able to get over there today, Judge.
Okay. So, all right. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave this on. I'm gonna set this for a pretrial tomorrow at. Are you on Dotson, Mr. Millar? William?
William is, no, I don't.
No, I think it's Rhonda Underwood. So here's what I'm gonna do, Miss Ladd, I'm gonna set this over to tomorrow at 3 o'clock, okay?
Okay,
So I'm gonna set it out to 4/6 at 3 o'clock.
okay,
That'll give Mr. Millar a chance to speak with you sometime tomorrow or even today. And at that time, I will address your bond, okay?
okay,
Okay, so Ms. Ladd and Mr. Millar will see back tomorrow at April 6th at 3 p.m.
all right,
Mr. Millar, if you get over there today and you want her brought back this afternoon, I'm just doing a divorce trial and would welcome any breaks.
All right, Judge, I'll keep that in mind.
Okay, all right, so Ms. Ladd, we'll see you back tomorrow at 3 p.m., all right?
all right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Ms. Ladd. All right, so now we just need Mr. Bixler from the jail. And I think that,
Judge, I think the Bixler was the one they said there was a waiver.
oh, Bradley, we need Mr. Bradley from the jail. What a B. All right, are you Cody Bradley?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Cody Joe Bradley, file number 2022-21174H. I have Salvatore Milaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Bradley, and I have Alexander Bayanetto appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for a pretrial. Mr. Milaro, how do you wish to proceed today with Mr. Bradley?
I'd like to adjourn these out for a brief period. Mr. Bradley and Mr. Fleming were of the same opinion of resolving all of his files at once. He has a felony still pending downstairs. So I'd like to adjourn this out one time, but not for very long.
Okay, so my next available is May 3rd at 8:30, but Mr. Milaro, if it turns out that he's gonna be up here sooner that, or something on that file, just let Ms. Adams know and we could add this file to the docket.
Okay, Judge, thank you.
All right, so Mr. Milaro, you do the step in order to adjourn. Mr. Bayanetto, can you sign your name with permission?
You can, Your Honor.
All right, so Mr. Bradley, we will continue your bond conditions and bond, and we'll see you back on May 3rd at 8:30 in the morning.